For the repair of the oxygen analyzer by Servomex, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 220V AC power supply, a multimeter, a flow meter, a pressurized air and a nitrogen 0.1%. We begin the calibration process with oxygen. After the analyzer has been running for about 1 hour to warm up, we set a low air pressure at the input of one of the flow meters. We should have a reading of 20.9% nitrogen and an output of 17.37 mA. If the reading is not 20.9%, we adjust it using the span potentiometer. Next, we introduce nitrogen at the analyzer's input. When the nitrogen is introduced, the reading should be 0.1% nitrogen and an output of 4 mA. If the reading is not correct, we adjust it using the zero potentiometer. Once these adjustments are made, the analyzer is ready for operation and has been properly calibrated. It is now clear that the oxygen analyzer by Servomex is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.